Good morning to all of you. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering in KK College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today, I will deliver a lecture on design of centrifuge separator. So, first of all, see that what is our centrifugal separator. The centrifugal separator features an inlet, outlet and separator. The liquid solid, solid liquid or gas solid mixture is pumped into one cone shape which working operators in the separator. So the separator produces a spinning vortex which leads to the filtration of solids from liquids, and the separated solids are collected at the bottom of the separators and they are purged from there. High density liquid flows out of the separator along with the contaminant, and low density component will remain inside. Water is one of the denser liquids, so it flows outside and is removed through a discharge outlet. However, lower density fluids such as oil will remain at the center of the vortex. Segregated oil can be easily recovered from the suction orifice of the separator. So we can say that it is one of the machine which is utilize the centrifugal force for the separation of liquid from solids. Solid that form a porous cake can be separated. Centrifugal force is applied to given slurry by which separation is done. The force is done by centrifugal action, which is given by the following equation: Fc is equal to W V square upon Gc into R. So it is a diagram of our centrifugal separator. So the construction of centrifugal separator, it is consisting on a rotating basket which is fixed on vertical shaft, and the basket is perforated on the sides and covered by a screen basket which is protected by casing. So discharge done through the outlet which is provided in the centrifuge, and washing of the septum is available in the centrifuge is 800 to 1800 rpm. Now we are seeing here the diagram of our centrifugal separator. So here the diagram show that the distributor disc, sludge ports, operating liquid, fringe wall, sludge spade, disc stack, pairing disc, then pairing disc, heavy phases, outlet heavy phase and outlet light phase, and we introduce the feed from the upper side. So in this way we can say that the centrifugal separators that are available in the different design and capacity, and it depends on their design, they are utilized in different way across the various industries, right? So separation technologies that are the essential to a broad range of industry from food, beverage and pharma to marine and energy through to water and waste treatment. Various technologies are used for the separating liquid from liquid and solid from liquid with the purpose to turn them into cleaner substances. So the working, charging of centrifuge, centrifugal force is applied there, and filtering will pass through the screen and cake formation, and centrifuge is stopped by applying brakes. So washing of cake and remove the cake. These are the steps, these are the process occur during the time when we use our this instrument. Now classification of the centrifugal separator. First one is suspended batch centrifuge, second one is the automatic batch centrifuge, third one is the continuous filtering centrifuge. Suspended batch separator, common type of batch centrifuge, the basket is at lower end and free driven vertical shaft. A layer of cake range from 2 to 6 that is formed on septum, and then wash water is applied on cake, and the cake is then spun on dry and removed. These separators are used in textile industries and sugar industry. So it is divided into two categories. One is our top driven and next one is under driven. Now it is a diagram. So automatic batch centrifuge, it is basket rotate at constant speed about horizontal axis. Feed slurry, wash liquid and screen range are sprayed by automatic system. Basket unloaded and cake is removed by heavy knife, and it has high productive. It is a diagram The next one is continuous filtering centrifuge, feed through a revolving feed funnel. Funnel accelerate the feed slurry smoothly and gently. A layer of crystal formed on septum. This layer is moved over by reciprocating pusher, and diameter of basket range from 300 to 1200 mm. Now it is a diagram. So types of centrifugal separation: liquid solid suspension, liquid liquid mixture, solid gas liquid mixture. Maintenance free, minimum or no downtime, minimum liquid loss, high efficiency. Then different separation technologies: decanter centrifuge, disc stack centrifuge, membrane filter designed for the different separations, clarifier, purifier, contractor. So now see here the applications. Centrifugal separators are used in chemical industries in the purification of intermediate or final products. First one, it is used for fuels cleaning and treatment. Second one, used for installed for any type of food or beverage, take a part in the treatment and beverage production, oleochemistry, mineral fuel and lubricating oils, animal based products. Okay, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you.